Now today I appreciate the maker of heaven and earth wey don give us the privilege say maybe for join those people wey go be a partaker of this beautiful day. God wey don give us the breath of life. Baba, we say thank you. Of course, this one na TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future, the Monday edition, and today na the 24th day of June 2024. And as una don sabi say na for here we go dey give you plenty informate toris of the latest happenings for Nigeria and all over the world. We don carry am come again today. Wetin we carry come na plenty informate. Oya, make we do this one again. Alright, the first informate wey dey for my hand for here na im dey talk say on top cholera outbreak, avoid locally prepared zobo. Fura federal government yarn Nigerians. May we hear the full tori. The federal government don sama Nigerians say make dem avoid locally made drinks such as kunu, zobo and fura to take prevent cholera disease. Im urge the public say make dem dey more vigilant and make dem imbibe good sanitation and hygiene practices for house and for their workplace. Another tori wey dey for my hand for here na im talk say make una stop to dey use my name image for political fight. Okonjo-Iweala sama warning. The Director General for World Trade Organization Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala don sama warning against the unauthorized use of her name and image for political wahala. Na this follow one Facebook post wey dey allege Okonjo-Iweala criticism of the economic decision of the Bola Tinubu administration amidst one report on top rise in national debt to 24 trillion within 2 months, despite the removal of fuel subsidy. Alright, another informate wey dey here na im dey talk say Kano court don adjourn suit wey dey seek to stop Bayero 4 others as emirs. The Kano State High Court don adjourn till July 2nd, 2024 one suit wey dey seek to stop the deposed emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero, and 4 others from parade say dem be emirs for the state. The court wey Justice Amina Adamu preside over happen today wey be Monday. Another informate wey dey here na im carry us go Russia. Wetin dey happen for Russia? Dem talk say death toll for Russia synagogues, churches attack don rise to 19. May we hear the full tori. Church attack and synagogues for Russia Dagestan region don kill 15 police officers and 4 civilians. Officials talk for Monday wey be today, stoking fears over Islamic kasala for the historically restive North Caucasus. The attack wey occur for Sunday happen just 3 months after Islamic State group fighters bin kill more than 140 for one Moscow concert hall wey be the deadliest attack on Russia for almost 20 years. HND holders must undergo 1-year mandatory training, federal government talk. The head of the civil service of the federation, Dr. Folashade Yemi-Esan, don ask workers wey get higher national diploma say make dem undergo 1-year mandatory training before dem conversion from executives to officer cadre. According to one talk for Saturday, Yemi-Esan bin talk am for one virtual interactive session with civil servants to take commemorate the 2024 Civil Service Week with the theme Educate an African Fit for the 21st Century, building resilient education system for increased access to inclusive, lifelong quality and relevant learning in Africa. Alright, the last informate wey dey here na im carry us go inside the exciting world of sport. Ogbonge football player Lionel Messi turn 37 years. The player wey people for some quarters sabi as the greatest player of all time don turn 37 years. Lionel Messi wey dey play for Inter Miami for the US don conquer the world of football, where pundits think say im still get the energy and skill to continue to dey play football till 40. The Argentina superstar don achieve plenty things for im life at 37 years, where im dey pursue another trophy for the Copa America tournament wey dey happen for the US. Alright, now with that tori, me I go dey say my bye byes on top TinTinNi Tori with Baba Future. My name never change. My name na Ogunyemi Akimbusayo, Baba Future. Until next time, stay out of trouble, stay safe. Una bye bye you.